Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel a PayPal subscription. Many services you use, like streaming platforms or software, often set up automatic payments through PayPal, which can be easily overlooked. Taking just a few moments to review and manage these helps prevent unwanted charges on your account. It is a straightforward process that puts you in control of your spending. Once you have logged into your PayPal account, your first step is to locate the settings icon, which looks like a small gear, usually found in the upper right corner of your screen. From there, select Account Settings and then click on Money, Banks, and Cards. This section provides options related to your payment methods. Finally, look for and select Set Automatic Payments to see all your active subscriptions and recurring charges. After accessing your list of active automatic payments, simply click on the specific merchant or subscription you intend to cancel. This action will open a new page displaying all the details of that particular payment. On this Details page, you will find a clear Cancel button. Click it. PayPal will then ask you to confirm your decision, ensuring you truly wish to stop the recurring charge. Confirm this step to proceed. Following your cancellation, PayPal usually sends a confirmation email to your registered address within a few moments. It is a good practice to check your email inbox and spam folder for this important notification. Additionally, navigate to your PayPal activity section and review transactions for the next several days to confirm no further payments are processed for that service. If you encounter any issues or unexpected charges, contact the merchant directly for assistance and also reach out to PayPal support for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.